I build a home with bleeding hands. Let it breathe with love and plans. You were my life, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door, where your laughter lives before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wear your car, I fix your time. Watch your chase your dreams and fly. I give you wings, I stay behind. But now you're gone, and so it's time. I'm still waiting at the door, where your footsteps touch the floor. Even pain begins to fade, but the love, it always stays. Still alone, still